Alright, okay, welcome to this lesson with me, Teacher Kamanga. In this lesson, we are going to use a question which was extracted from 2017 past paper for internal. So this is question number 3. So we're going to revise on the life cycle of a mosquito. So we're saying figure 3.0 shows the life cycle of a mosquito. Okay, so we are seeing there are some stages. We have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. So these stages, they are a series of development of this mosquito. So on stage 1, we are seeing the eggs that are laid in water. Stage 2, we are seeing a larva. Stage 3, we are seeing a pupa. Then stage 4, we are seeing an adult mosquito. All right, so when we come to the first question, we are saying identify 2 stages in figure 3.0 which are most suitable for eradicating malaria. So the 2 stages is stage 1. This stage 1, it is can be used to eradicate malaria. So we have stage 1, okay. Then also we have stage 2. Stage 3. So stage 1 and stage 3, they are the best to be targeted for eradicating malaria. So that is very clear. Okay, we come to A2. We're saying for each stage identified in A1 above, state how malaria may be eradicated. State how malaria may be eradicated. So to eradicate malaria in these stages, on the first stage, because we understand that the eggs are laid in water, so we're going to drain all stagnant water so that eggs will not be produced there. Then on stage 3, you make sure that they can spray all the stagnant water with insecticides. So we understand the insecticide that can be commonly be used. We have the best insecticide is the DDT. This DDT it kills the eggs, the larva, and also the pupa. So on stage 1, I've said you spray, you drain all the water. On stage 3, you spray with the insecticides. Okay, then we proceed. We come to 3. We're saying suggest 2 ways in which malaria can be controlled in a community. So we're now looking at 2 ways in which malaria can be controlled in a community. So the first one is just to make sure that we encourage people to sleep under a mosquito net. So the first way is to sleep under a net. A mosquito net is very, very important because it is going to assist to reduce malaria. Then the next one, we just need to advise the community to clear or cut all the tall grasses in the community, because we also understand that grasses can harbor mosquito net. So clear grasses or tall grasses. So it's also very clear that those two, they can help to eradicate malaria. Okay, then we come to B. We're saying what term is given to the mosquito based on its law in the transmission of malaria pathogen. So the question is, what term is given to the mosquito based on its law in the transmission of malaria pathogen? So we understand that because of its law in transmitting the malaria pathogen, a mosquito is called a biological vector. Biological vector, so we need to understand vector. So we need to understand it's called a biological vector based on its law. Okay, I think that is very clear. Then we come to C. C, we're saying define a pathogen. Define a pathogen. So by definition, pathogens are disease-causing organisms, which we can say mainly these are microorganisms, small organisms. That's what I was referring to as microorganisms. So in short, a pathogen, it is a disease-causing organism. A pathogen is a disease-causing organism. Okay. All right. Then the last one, we are saying name the malaria-causing pathogen. The malaria-causing pathogen, it is called Plasmodium. Plasmodium. So in most cases, we need to understand that these mosquitoes, the one that is responsible for this transmission of the malaria, it is called Anopheles mosquito, which is a female mosquito. So it transmits a pathogen which is known as Plasmodium. So this is just a simple revision that we are just from doing. So I encourage you to go through different questions that will assist you to prepare for your exam adequately. So for those that are watching this video for the first time, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any other revision that we're going to be doing. This has been Teacher Kamanga with you. Ciao.